Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy. Today's video is going to be my IPSY bag unbagging and try on for May 2018. So as always, it comes in the shiny pink packaging, which I love. And this is what this month's bag looks like. I really like it. It's a nice light pastel yellow and then a nice orange, kind of apricot, tangerine type of orange. It's showing up brighter on camera than it is in real life, but it's really cute. It's a really cute little bag. If you're new to my videos and if you might not be sure what IPSY is, it is a beauty subscription bag that you get every month. It is $10 a month here in the US, and you receive 5 sample size beauty products. So it's a great way to try new products and see if you like them without making the full commitment, because some of these products can be pretty pricey. So as always, if you all enjoy this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up for me. That really helps support my channel and I do really appreciate it. And if you have not already, go ahead and click subscribe down below. I would love to have you all as part of my little YouTube family. Now, if you want to see how I created this look using some of the products that came in this month's IPSY bag, you're in the right spot. Just keep watching. Okay, so inside of my shiny pink packaging, I see the bag, which is really cute this month. So I also have a mask. It is by 111 Skin. It is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. So that is pretty cool. I will definitely have to try this out. I'm not going to try it out right now because I already have most of my makeup on. But I will try this out and see what I think of it. Inside the bag is the card. Go there. Cute. Okay, so I actually knew what was going to be in the bag. If you have watched my previous IPSY unbaggings, I always take a peek inside of my bags before I sit down to film, just so I can save time on the video and make it hopefully not too long by already having the makeup on that I can put on, and then just leaving off the products that I want to try on. So as you can see, I don't have, well, I'm not sure that you can tell, but I don't have any concealer on right now because there is a setting powder in here that I want to try. It is by Tarte, and it is the Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay fixing powder. So I'm going to put my concealer on and try this out. I have not tried it before. So let's put on some concealer and give it a go. So I have on my IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream, but I don't have on anything else on my face. No concealer, no powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, nothing. So I'm going to add the concealer, and then I'm going to use the Tarte finishing powder all over my face. I'm going to use it under my eyes and all over my face and see what I think about it, because I have not tried this product before. So I was excited to see it in the bag. I've heard good things about it. So here we go. Okay, concealer is on and all blended out. I feel like I have a hair on me. Should have clipped my hair back. I still feel like there's a hair on me. Okay, I think I got the hair. Okay, let's test out this Tarte setting powder. So this little sample size is a bit annoying because I don't know if you can see there, but there is only 2 little tiny holes to get the powder out. So I've been trying for like 5 minutes to get the powder out, and I've got out that much powder. So let's try it out. Just gonna lightly dip in. I never bake under my eyes or anywhere on my face. I don't bake in the oven either. But let's see. Okay, so the powder feels very soft to the touch. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell on camera, but I set underneath of this eye and it looks a lot darker than underneath of this eye. Like it darkened up my concealer and made it almost yellowish. Let's try the other eye and see if the same thing happens. Okay, yeah, it just like darkened up my concealer. Let's try setting like this area where I put my bronzer and blush and stuff. See if it makes the foundation darker. Okay, I don't feel like it made my foundation darker, just the concealer. I used the Tarte Shape Tape. Maybe it was just that concealer. I don't know. Okay, yeah, so survey says this powder just might not be for me because it definitely did darken up underneath of my eyes where I had put the concealer. On my cheeks and stuff, it went on all right. It didn't seem to darken up the foundation, but it definitely darkened up under my eyes and made them look a little yellow, and I'm not a big fan of that. But everywhere that I put the powder feels very soft and very silky smooth. So it's just too bad that it made my under eyes look darker. Okay, moving on. The next thing in the bag is by the brand Cargo, and it is a bronzer. Cute little metal tin it comes in. And that is the shade. It looks very warm toned, and cool tone bronzers typically work better on my fair skin. So just looking at this in the pan, I'm afraid it might be a little too warm toned for my complexion. Let's do a swatch of it. It's also very shimmery. So it's very shimmery and very warm toned. Think it's gonna look a little orangey on me, but I will give it a try. Everything deserves a fair try. Okay, it's pretty warm toned, but with a light hand, it doesn't look bad. Next thing in the bag is by the brand Air Repair, and it is a facial mist. Complexion quenching facial mist. Let's see. Okay, it smells a little odd. Not bad, just a little odd. I don't really know how to describe the fragrance. Let's try this out. Okay, did it make any difference? Not a big difference that I can see. This is not the best spritzer, but that happens a lot on sample size spray bottles, so I'm not going to knock it too much for that. It says that this can be used as a toner or before makeup or just as a refreshing spray during the day, so I'll just have to test this out more to see if I really like it. And the last thing in my bag this month is a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. I do really love the formula of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. I think I may have had this shade in the past. I don't remember for sure, but I think I may have. These always smell so good. Just going to put on a little lip liner and then put on the lip cream. Okay, a little bit of lip liner. Now let's try this color out. Let me do a swatch of it. Okay, so this is what the swatch looks like. It's a warm toned nude. So let's try it and see. Okay, I really like that color, especially on top of that lip liner. It did give it a little more of a pinky undertone, but it's still very much a warm toned shade. Okay, and that is everything that was in my IPSY bag this month, guys. So just a quick rundown again. The 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. I will still have to try this out and see what I think of it, but I'm excited to do so. The setting powder is super soft, so maybe this will work for just setting where I like to bronze and add blush and stuff, but I don't like it for under my eyes because it did darken up my concealer a bit. And the bronzer, it's a nice bronzer, but it's just a little too warm toned for my very fair complexion. And it's just a little bit too shimmery for what I like. I like a nice bronzer with a sheen, a little shimmer, but it's pretty shimmery. The facial mist, well, I'm just going to have to play around with it and see what I think of it. Maybe try using it in different ways. I didn't really notice any difference in the look of my makeup when I put it on, so I don't know. I'll just have to keep testing that one out. And then the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London, I like it. It is a nice, deep, warm-toned nude on my complexion, and I like it a lot. So that is it. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure and give it a big thumbs up for me. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, you can join my little YouTube family and click subscribe down below and hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so you be sure and get notified when I upload new videos in the future. And that's going to be all for this one, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.